prepare a Arabian omelette. First, cut half potatoes small and take one onion and cut small pieces.
Then fry it separately.
Then fry it separately.
After that, I will show you.
After that, I will show you what to do.
അത്രയും ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്തു വെക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക്
Here we have to fry some potatoes.
ഞാൻ ചെയ്തോ കാണിച്ചില്ലേ
And put them in a plate. Put the stove off it. Put the stove off. Next we are putting onions and fry it. Then you have to just stir them. Here with the onions,
A little bit brown color.
a little bit brown color
Have to come.
have to come, then you can put in the plate.
Okay. Then go to them.
Here it is the onions. Smash the onion and the potato in a bowl.
Man, brownish color on onion. Of course. After that, we will
Off the stove and put
Then-
in the
bowl and smash.
and smash them. It is a brown now, a little, so we can off. Then put in a bowl and smash them, potatoes and onions, and take a big bowl.
Big bowl.
We have small and big one first
Bowls.
bowls, and we are going to wash one. We wash the small bowl, and next we are going to wash the big bowl right over here. Wash it. Just put water and take the no water will be here. Just do like this. Then it will be over. You can take 2 or 3 eggs. Here we take the eggs. 3 eggs. So we will pour it in the bowl. Next we are going to pour this egg and break the egg. Broke the egg. We need 3 eggs. 1 egg finished. The second egg, we are going to just smash. Smash. The second one finished. The third one we are going to smash. Third one. Okay, we put the third one and throw it the eggs. And wash And put some salt and stir. And some pepper. And stir. And we finish stirring.
White color on it.
Eh?
White color on it.
It needs to be white color.
दो अम्मा जी उड़गी चले चले अम्मा जी उड़गी चले
I am just doing stirring them.
चलो